Hello and welcome back to our English learning series. Today we have a new story for you. Are you ready to practice? Let's begin.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. How can I help you today?
I'd like one ticket for the 7:30 show, please.
Sure. Would you prefer standard seating or the premium section?
What's the difference exactly?
The premium seats are more spacious, have extra legroom, and offer better sound quality.
Sounds tempting, but I think I'll stick to standard. I'm trying to be a bit budget conscious.
Fair enough. One standard ticket then. Would you like to choose your seat?
Yes, please. Somewhere in the middle if possible.
Let me check. Row F, seat 12 is available.
That works perfectly.
Great. That'll be $8.
Here you go. By the way, is this movie worth watching?
Honestly, it exceeded my expectations. The storyline is gripping and the acting is top-notch.
That's good to hear. I've had a long day, so I'm hoping to unwind a bit.
Then you picked the right film. It really draws you in.
I hope so. Sometimes trailers oversell things.
True, but this one lives up to the hype.
Nice. Oh, where can I get popcorn?
Just around the corner to your left. And a quick heads up, the hall doors close 5 minutes before the movie starts.
Thanks for letting me know. I'll make it quick.
No problem at all. Enjoy the movie.
Thanks, and good luck with the rest of your shift.
Thanks. Fingers crossed it stays quiet tonight.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Spacious, having plenty of room. Gripping, extremely interesting or exciting. Top-notch, of very high quality. Unwind, to relax after a period of work or stress. Hype, strong publicity or promotion. Heads up, an advance warning or notice. New phrases. Sounds tempting, something is attractive or appealing. Fair enough, polite agreement or acceptance. Draws you in, keeps you emotionally engaged. Lives up to the hype, meets high expectations. Fingers crossed, hoping for a good outcome. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.